You're working hard and you're showing up. You're doing all the things. So why does it feel like your business is barely staying afloat? There's an invisible energy that's draining your success and is keeping you stuck in survival mode. But if you don't fix this, no amount of strategy, manifestation, or effort will fix this. But today, we're sealing that leak for good. Imagine trying to fill a bucket that's full of holes. No matter how much you pour, it's just going to keep draining out, right? That's what happens in your business. But those holes aren't what you think. They're hidden energy leaks that's costing you clients, income, and peace of mind. Let's talk about the three biggest ones. Number one, saying yes to the wrong clients. Have you ever worked hard with a client that just drained you? Someone that didn't respect your time, just asking question after question after question, and constantly needing extra help, but never seems to want to pay for it or buy anything? Here's the truth. Not all clients are meant for you. And every time you say yes to the wrong ones, you're blocking the right ones. If they're going to a different business, let them. You think you're losing a sale? No, you're gaining energy. Here's the shift. Stop attracting energy vampires, and they are rampant in this business. Get crystal clear on who your ideal client is. Because when you call to the right people, your work becomes fulfilling and effortless. Number two, offer confusion. Why too many options actually kill sales. Let me guess. You got this long list of services because you're afraid to leave one out because that's the one that somebody might want, right? But here's the problem. A confused mind never buys. If your business seems scattered, your clients won't know what to invest in. Here's the fix. One clear signature offer. When your message is focused, your income becomes consistent. Number three, lack of boundaries. It's the silent energy drain. Are you constantly answering messages at all hours? Saying yes when you really want to say no? Overgiving without getting paid? This is one of the fastest ways to burn out and repel abundance. Healthy boundaries aren't just spiritual, they're necessary for financial success. When you value your time, so will your client. I've made the mistake of letting people get on my Facebook, Messenger, and they will message me after I close on Sundays. So yeah, I know what happened. Which of these energy leaks aligns with you? Drop me a fire sign or something down in the comments if you're ready to seal those leaks and step into alignment. And in our final video, I'm revealing the game-changing shift that turns struggling spiritual businesses into secure financial empires. So make sure that you have subscribed and turn on those notifications, and I'll see you in part 3.